Place 5mm packers into the windowsill before placing the outer frame of the secondary unit on top, ensuring it is the correct way round. Use the drill block provided to pre-drill fixing holes into the aluminium. This can be done either before or after the frame is placed into the reveal. Fix the outer frame into the reveal with one screw through the side of the frame. This is to ensure the unit remains stable. Place packers around the fixing holes to secure the frame before inserting the panel. Using a pry bar, lever the frame to adjust by either lifting or moving the outer frame from the side to suit. This will ensure that the panel runs parallel to the outer frame. As a handy tip, to ensure that the window is square, lift the bottom of the panel out of the outer frame track and place it on the front part of the outer frame. You should be able to see if there is an equal gap between the panel and outer frame. If not, then use more packers to achieve an equal gap. The frame can now be permanently secured into place. If reveal fixing, secure the outer frame through the holes you have previously drilled in the side of the aluminium frame. If face fixing, secure the outer frame through the pre-drilled holes in the face of the timber subframe.